Hello, dear viewers. Hope all of you are well. Today I will show you that here the Amazon affiliate link ASIN number that we didn't find about Fire TV sticks. Here are the product information. All of are here. I showing you. Here is it. So in this details, there are no ASIN number of this Fire TV sticks. I didn't find here. So how you can find this? At that reasons, you have to go in this URL link here. Okay, you can get this is the URL link. Okay, here you can copy it and then you have to uh, paste in your website. Okay, I am pasting here. Here is it. Now I get a column. Here I'm taking column and then I mark it like this color and then I have to take custom HTML and then I have to give the product name. Okay, so for the reasons you have to go there and then you have to select your ASIN secret key and other keys and then you have to paste here the ASIN number. I paste it here, I did it and I take from here I copy it and then I paste it. Okay, and then I reset here. Here is it, Amazon Fire TV 6. And now I copy this HTML and then I have to paste here. Okay, in HTML. Here is it, and then click here. Here is the product. Okay, so you can write here some things. That's I click this and then copy and then paste here. Okay, here is it. Now if I update it, I will show the ASN Amazon Fire TV Stick is RF. Okay, and then if I go to my website, here is it. The image is not there because the Amazon they have to Fire TV. If I go there, the only text here. Okay, you can see the text here, but no image text. For the reasons we have to using PA API, secret keys and other keys, and by that way we can take these images. Okay, if I go there, here is no image. If I refresh it, just a minute, it will come and showing. Okay, if I here is it. Okay, looks here is it, the image. So same way you can bring all images here. Okay, already I deleted all images because all images are not there. Image text are whenever they decline from that, and for the reasons we have to add the images. Okay, by that way you can get the ASIN number from any site. If you don't get from this product detail site, you can get from the URL from here. You can see from here you can get the ASIN number. Okay, thank you for watching. If benefit you get and get help, then subscribe and comments below. Thank you very much for watching my channel.